Um, Even though I'm born in foreign country, I have fortune to live in Vrindavan, and I'm wondering how I can make the best use of this time. I have time to stay in the Dham. I can make best use so I can develop love for Guru and Vaishnava.
नहीं समझ आए? अच्छा था बोल रही कि मेरा तो मैं तो दूसरी कंट्री
तो বললাম আমার বিদেশে জন্ম
हाँ हाँ
জন্ম
हाँ,
আর
तो
আমি বৃন্দাবনে থাকি
हाँ
এটুকু বুঝলাম আর
हाँ और था कि और अभी हम इतना हमको अच्छा चांस मिला है वृंदावन में वास करने का
हाँ
तो हम कैसे गुजारेंगे वो टाइम कैसे भजन करेंगे कि हम उसका लाभ उठा पाए वृंदावन में रह के
वृंदावन में रहने से लाभ उठाना भक्त दर्शन भगवत दर्शन और भक्त सेवा भगवान की सेवा भक्त सेवा परम सिद्धि प्रेम लौकिका भक्त सेवा ही और प्रेम जो बेल उनका जड़ है Understand?
You understand little bit?
No Hindi.
Yes.
English, please. English.
Service of the Vaishnava
Yes.
is the root of bhakti kripa.
Mm.
Without root,
Mm-hmm.
bhakti cannot stand. So, if you like to serve Krishna, you have to serve Vaishnava first. As much as possible, you serve Vaishnava by your body, mind, pranai, pran,
Life,
body
Oh.
with body.
body, life
Arthoi,
with your money.
artha,
Okay.
artha means finance.
Finance, money, body.
Dhiya, if you are thinking about Vaishnava,
Oh, okay.
Vacha is your word to
Okay.
serve Vaishnava.
Okay.
Why is it possible by what? Bandhana,
Mm-hmm.
Vaishnava Bandhana is service of Vaishnava.
अच्छा
Oh, I see.
And in your body, you bow down the Vaishnava
Uh-huh.
and the deity, that is also
सेवा
a bodily seva. Perform parikrama with your foot,
Mm.
that is service by your foot. To see the Vaishnava in your eye, that is service by your eye.
Mm.
If listen the teachings of Shastra in from Vaishnava, that is also served by ear.
I see. Okay, understand.
Huh? So, as much as practicable to serve the Vaishnava. In Srimad Bhagavat, you read Srimad Bhagavat?
Yes.
Ambarish Upakhyan?
Amrit, yes.
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 The Ambarish, what kind of seva perform Ambarish? Savai Mano Krishna Padara Vindayo. He engaged his mind in this lotus feet of So, and Bajangse Vaikunta Gunanu Varnane, and he said, Vaishnava through his mouth to utter the quality of Vaishnava and Vishnu. Shrutin Chakarachuta Sat Kathodai engaged ears in the Achyuta. Achyuta means Krishna. Why Krishna is Achyuta? Nobody can detach from the Krishna. All are Krishna, in Krishna, everything. Without Krishna, nobody can stand.
Mm.
Mukunda linga layadatsane drisha. You engage your eye. Mukunda linga. Mukunda means Krishna. Why Krishna is Mukunda? Mukti sukham kusitam karati premanandam dadati yah saiva mukunda. जिन्होंने जो कृष्ण मुक्ति को नेग्लेक्ट करके जो भक्त वो कृष्ण सेवा चाहता है वो है मुकुंद.
इंग्लिश महाराज इंग्लिश में
हाँ, मुकुंद मुक्ति सुख को तुच्छ माना, वो मुक्ति नहीं चाहता. कैसे भक्तों ऐसे ही बोलते हैं. ननाको कृष्णम न च पारमेष्टम न सार्वभौमम न रसाधिपत्यम न जोग सिद्धि अपुनर्भवम. अपुनर्भव मीन्स मुक्ति.
He doesn't want mukti. A person who doesn't want mukti, that person gets the Mukunda's lotus feet.
And क्या करेंगे? मुकुंद लिंग मीन्स मुकुंद जहाँ रहते हैं चिन्ह.
So where he stays.
हाँ, इसलिए भगवान कहते हैं नाहं तिष्ठामि वैकुंठे योगिनाम हृदये न च मधुभक्ता यत्र गायन्ति तत्र तिष्ठामि नारद.
So you know the sloka.
Understand?
No English?
Krishna says, I am not staying in Vaikuntha, not in the heart of yogi, because they are concentrated mind and engaged to see me. I am not there. Madhubhakta Jastra Gayanti. My
Devotees.
devotee, where song, where they utter the name, perform kirtan, I rush there.
Right. Yes.
So if you like to serve Krishna, you attend the kirtan,
Kirtan.
because Krishna rush there.
Okay.
So you are fortunate. You are staying bodily in Vrindavan,
Bodily.
but also in mind and spirit. You have to do it. You always, if your body in Vrindavan and you thinking in your country, then you are in your country, not in Vrindavan.
Yes. Because of attachment to. Yes.
If anybody is an employee of government and the man staying in Vrindavan and every day a daily passenger and attend his office from 10 to 5 and return his home in the night 9:30 p.m. and he left house in early in the morning 6. But he has no time to serve his daughter, son. Son and daughter never seen him because when he left house they are sleeping. When they return they are sleeping. But his affection in the office or his child.
With child.
Why?
Children, yeah. Working
That's
for
right.
children.
He is staying there from 10 to 5 and taking money from them.
Using for them, yeah.
They are work in the office. Yet his mind in his
Child.
house, child, wife. Then they are not in Delhi. He is in his residence house.
Yes.
Like that, South Krishna.
Like that.
Yes.
If you staying in Vrindavan, you may go anywhere, but your mind in Vrindavan. Then the circle of Vrindavan is justified.
Mm.
Anyone?
I have attachment to
Family.
family and country, so how to get rid of, how to,
Cut the attachment.
yeah.
How is it possible to cut off attachment with my family? By the service of the God
Nice of it.
and His devotee, not only God.
His devotee.
Devotees.
Because the girl, when they are unmarried, they are staying in his father's house. After marriage,
Husband.
he left his father's house.
Yes.
That time, his interest is in his husband's house, not father's house.
Right.
If he collects anything, he rushes to the house of his husband,
Right.
not
To the father.
father, mother's house. How is it possible? By service.
Service.
So,
Service.
you can easily go to the Lord by the service.
Service. To Bhakta Bhagavan.
Everything. Everything attachment to the God and His devotee. If you love me, love my dog.
Yes.
So, you have to serve Vaishnava. Without the service of the Vaishnava, nobody can. Because they are Darwan,
Doorkeeper.
God.
Okay.
They watch the doors. You can enter the house without the permission of the God.
No.
So, without the kripa of Vaishnava, you never serve Krishna. Madhvakta pujadvadhiva sarva bhuti samanavati. The service of my devotee is better than the service of Adhika. Pujadvadhiva.
How can I serve you?
But it is depend on the nature. If your mind love this Vaishnava, that Vaishnava, but they are not dear to all. Some of them are dear to you. So, you serve that very Vaishnava. That as in Chaitanya Charitamrita, Pundarik Vidyanidhi and Sarup Damodar, they are intimate. Not others.
Oh.
Others, no.
It is depend on the nature.
Yeah. Snigdha.
Equal nature.
Sajatya or Snigdha.
That's it. Sarup Damodar and Pandari Vidya.
अच्छा वो दोनों. So, so same mood is very difficult to find.
Yes.
Very, very
Not
difficult.
difficult.
No?
Not difficulty. By conversation, by talk,
Yes.
you can find
Find. Right.
the nature. You can find. And so many Vaishnava there.
Mm.
Why Narayan Maharaj is dear to me? Why serve Narayan Maharaj?
Mm.
I serve others,
Mm.
but Narayan Maharaj is my best friend. According to nature,
Ah.
we serve other Vishnu,
Vishnu, but
respect other Vishnu, but not closely relation.
mm.
When you know, when Narayan Maharaj left Keshavji Gauri Math
Mm.
and staying in Govardhan,
Guru Maharaj told us, 3 months or something like that.
that time
You know, at that time you saw him.
I sent books,
Oh,
Ujjal, Nilamani, Bhakti, Samrita Sindhu, purchased from Calcutta in old bookstall.
yeah.
New print was
No.
not available that
Vishwanath
time.
Chakravarti Thakur Tika.
Vishwanath Chakravarti Tika, not only. No Bhakti Samrita Sindhu
No,
in the market.
old Maharaj.
Out of market.
Ah.
So you have to purchase from
Purchase.
the
Old store.
old bookstall.
But that one was by your Guru Maharaj published or Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada?
Wow. They are published. Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati टाइम का वो मिलता नहीं.
नहीं मिलता था वो टाइम 50 साल पहले 7 साल पहले नहीं
वो
मिलता
बात
था.
ऐसा है, वो बात आप लोगों को सुनने का नहीं. वो था जो वासुदेव प्रभु
हाँ
लीला, उस सारा बुक्स को गंगा में डाल दिया. जितना प्रिंटेड बुक्स था,
प्रभुपाद का.
हाँ, नो चैतन्य चरितमृत, नो श्रीमद् भागवत, everything published by Prabhupada.
Put in Ganga.
Already sold. The remnants books are
If you
in the Ganga.
Oh.
Because after litigation, they win.
yeah.
So the amount was divided.
Yes.
Then we are through all the books. In the Ganga. So
No books available. So you give the old, some other
Ah.
publications.
So you went and sent to Gurudev.
Gurudev, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Bhakti Rasamitra Sindhu and Chaitanya Chaitamrita.
Which one? Oh,
So we are when we are in the north, no books there.
No. Oh.
no books.
In the market, old bookstore, you can purchase.
Sometimes.
I purchased Bhagavad,
Bhagavad, yeah.
only 9 canto.
Oh.
Then 10 canto. From beginning to end,
Huh.
nobody can supply you. Because
Whole set,
all
no.
bookstore
Either
as
udhar.
much as possible. In College Street, I am going every day there
Oh.
for searching old books.
Calcutta.
Calcutta. Then I sent 2 books.
Wow.
After that, they are print.
For printing, yeah. गुरु महाराज नहीं बोले थे वैष्णव
But Yeshu Maharaj, affection
yeah,
to Narayan Maharaj.
too much to
Narayan, Yeshu Maharaj told, मैं से और पूरी महाराज
अच्छा
वो मिलने के लिए गया था देवानंद गौड़ी मठ में।
so
अच्छा, हमारा पूरी महाराज रहते थे वृंदावन में।
ना और केशव महाराज उधर
वो नारायण महाराज मथुरा में,
मथुरा में हाँ
इनका नाम भी था नारायण दास, उनका नाम था गौर नारायण दास।